Hey look, it's snowing. Oh, game's over. Wait, you can still see the snow. It's also snowing out here. Yay! Yeah, so this is the first snow of winter around LO. Unless it snowed sometime during the night. And, yeah, it's pretty excitable. Pretty exciting. Even though, I actually just got back from the mountain yesterday. Dope. That's pretty great. And yeah, it's below 30 right now, and it doesn't look like these clouds are going anywhere, so odds are we're gonna get a lot of it. It's gonna be great. Woo! And it's super sticky too. Yeah, over the past couple years, like past 3 years, we must have had a snow, at least like a foot of snow, or no, at least like 5 inches of snow every year for the past 2 years, with like an inch or two of ice on top of that. And sometimes it's like layered. But anyways, that's really cool. It's snowing! Well, the snow is officially buried Christmas lights. But yep, kids are playing, and the snow's falling, and I built a fire. Just one cozy Christmas. And I'm eating pizza. Well, that's what's going on today, Tuesday. And yeah, I'm hoping that the snow keeps going for the rest of the week, which is kind of unlikely, but actually not so unlikely. It's possible. We might get a few days off of school once break ends, which would be nice since I can get to that homework I've been procrastinating on. Anyways, yep. Every year snows like a new thing for Kitty. Cat. But yep. See, there's the boo, and there's the paw prints. Cat prints. Human. Kitty. Yeah, I'm really bored. Oh, I might see if somebody wants to come over later. Dawn the next morning. Looks like rained a little. A lot of car activity. But there's still snow, so oh well. Yeah, it's Wednesday, the last day of the year, I think. No, second to last day. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. And I don't know. I just got out of bed. It's like 11:30. Share. I don't know. Share now. What is that? That's a fish. Look at the fish. Fish. Anyways, I'm gonna try to find something to eat. Alright. Well, here's this whole thing. And here's our new computer. Look how nice and shiny that is. I haven't taken off the wrap yet. Anyways, I'm about to turn it on. I thought you guys would like to watch the magic happen. Alright. Throw the lever. And hit the button. Ooh, that's a nice sound. Well, Sweet. Yeah, it's a Vista, so same monitor. What is that? Well, yep. And let's see, it's December 30th. I got back from the spaghetti factory. Huh. And yep. So that's what's going on right now. We just got a new computer. New computer. Woo. Hopefully it won't be as slow and I can finally edit all these vlogs I've been taking over the past 2 weeks. Yeah, I haven't been able to upload them because the other computer, that thing, it's been so slow that it can't edit anything. Like the programs won't open, everything's corrupted and stuff. It's annoying. Yeah, maybe this will be in HD. Yeah, this was for $2. Mom got it for me. I don't know what it is, but it's weird. Green, orange, green, orange. Yep, anyways, that's what's going on. And see you guys later.